Do. Driving in my truck. You know, just the usual day going down the road and hey, why is that bump shaped like a fucking oh no. What have I done? No! Oh. Yeah, I know I have not seen you all in a long time. And yes, I have not recorded a video in a long while, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. I just like don't have anything to record, so I guess I might as well just like I might record some videos about this truck. I might record a video of me fighting my friend in this truck. Anyways, let's go to the end, or at least try. Oh no, not again. Or at least try to. Anyway, so it's got functional doors. Also got a new avatar. That's cool. It's got the nitro. You know, just a red thruster strapped to the bottom of it. You know, usual. Oh no, not this stage. I hate this stage. It appears somehow my boat's dodging all of them. Yes, I'm definitely not hitting them all. That's sarcasm. I am hitting every singular one. I hate this stage. It can kill you from anywhere using the power of, musical notes. Also, apologies for, maybe almost nearly swearing, or maybe fully swearing, I'm not sure. But yeah, I came very close to it before I hit that rock. And oh no. How did my truck end up in the west? Oh no. Anyways, I'll see how long this goes. I'll talk to you, you know, give you some stuff, give you some information about what I've been doing. Oh dear, not, oh, it's this stage. Oh no. Move. I don't got any controls over this thing but the nitro anymore. All the other controls have been destroyed, or they're just like non-functional because, you know, I'm upside down. Anyways, here's the first person perspective. Yes. Then we also got, what does L do again? Oh yeah, that's for the lights, but, there's no lights left. They destroyed all of it. And, one door's gone. This is my last remaining door. You know, it's cool, it's a nice door. Oh. And now I'm being, attacked. And there's a tornado in the distance. And the nitro ran out. Ah! They shaved my TV head. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! How am I not dead? Thank you, random let. Ah! How have I not died yet? I am unsure of this. Please stop triggering mines. Oh no. Not another one of these stages. Not the bees. No. I have to make it. I know there's something behind this wall. I cannot see my health, so I'm probably about to die. Oh. I hit I hit my toe on a rock. Oh no! Anyways, so, that was, a truck. And, a nice small talk with ya. So, you know, just wish y'all a good day. Happy holidays, since it's like around that time as I'm recording this. Bye! And hopefully I'll come up with something to record. Actually, maybe I should do this. Alright, bye-bye!